Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of the top 3 vegetables to plant in spring for a thriving garden. Watch till the end to find out our best recommendation from the list. Our list begins with peas, Pisum sativum. Peas are a spring favorite since they enrich the soil by nitrogen fixation, benefiting the garden's ecosystem. Peas produce abundant harvest over several weeks and require a well-drained and slightly acidic to neutral soil pH, 6.0 to 7.5. To plant, sow seeds directly outdoors 4 to 6 weeks before the last frost. Varieties of peas include snow peas, sugar snap peas, and shelling peas. Peas are the best vegetables for spring because they can be harvested early, are usually ready in 60 to 70 days, have minimal pest problems in cool spring weather, and can be eaten fresh or frozen for later. Lettuce, Lactuca sativa. Lettuce is another spring favorite since it matures quickly, often within 30 to 45 days for leaf varieties, making it ideal for early harvests. It also thrives in the cool, mild temperatures of 40 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit, producing tender, flavorful leaves before the summer heat. Lettuce is versatile, thriving in ground plots, raised beds, or containers, making it accessible to gardeners who have limited space. This vegetable prefers moist, well-drained soil with high organic content. To plant lettuce, directly sow seeds or start transplants as soon as the soil can be worked on in spring. Lettuce performs best in partial shade to full sun, depending on the variety. Varieties of lettuce include leaf lettuce, romaine, and butterhead. Some advantages of lettuce include quick harvest, suitability for successive planting, and minimal pest issues in early spring. Carrots, Daucus carota. Carrots germinate well in cool soil with temperatures as low as 50 degrees Fahrenheit and grow best when daytime temperatures are 55 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Carrots develop better flavor and texture in spring as cool temperatures enhance sugar content and can be stored for months, making them a practical crop. They require deep, loose, and rock-free soil to encourage straight root growth. Sow seeds directly in early spring, 2 to 3 weeks before the last frost. Full sun is ideal for growth, but they can tolerate partial shade. Some popular varieties of carrots include Nantes, Chantenay, and Imperator. Advantages of carrots include low maintenance once they get established and long harvesting window, since baby carrots can be picked early and possess high nutritional value, rich in beta-carotene and fiber. Which is the best? While all 3 crops excel in spring gardening, peas emerge as the best choice due to their combination of benefits. Ease of growing, they germinate in cooler conditions with minimal care. High yield, peas are highly productive, providing weeks of fresh harvest. Soil improvement, their nitrogen-fixing ability improves the soil for future crops. Versatility, peas can be eaten fresh, cooked, or frozen, making them suitable for various uses. Thanks for watching.